Pier 4 in Boston's Seaport District is an ultra-luxury mid-rise condo building. The building is surrounded on three sides by the ocean, making it a one-of-a-kind in the city. This full-service mid-rise is home to some of the most luxurious and exclusive residences on the Seaport waterfront. In this video, I will go over pricing, unit layouts, and amenities of this ultra-luxury development. If you're new to this channel, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a real estate broker with expertise in the greater Boston area and luxury condo buildings. If you want to tour the residences at Pier 4 or have questions about the real estate market, my contact information will be in the description below. Pier 4 at 300 Pier 4 Boulevard is a luxury condo building located in Boston, Massachusetts. Construction started in 2017 and the project was completed in 2019. The building stands at 118 feet, developed by Tishman Speyer and designed by Shop Architects. Featuring 9 stories and a total of 106 condo units, the residences are highly exclusive. This was Boston's first building which had sales over $4,000 per square foot, breaking a record in the city. Overlooking Boston Harbor, Pier 4 has a unique design with a twisting shape. Built on the former site of Anthony's Pier 4 restaurant, the Pier 4 residences are in a one-of-a-kind location, not seen by any other building in Boston. Pier 4 has an on-site 1-acre park as well as direct harbor access. Residents and visitors can enjoy the sea steps, which lead from the harbor walk all the way down to the water's edge for a waterfront experience. The exterior of the building is made of glass and hand-laid brick. The materials are uniquely arranged in a building that grows wider as it rises, so units on the upper floors become more spacious. Outdoor balconies are offset so they do not stack above one another, providing exposure to light and air as well as views. The residences are certified LEED Silver for sustainability. The developer worked closely with the city on design features to address future climate and sea level rise concerns. The ground floor features over 16,000 square feet of space, which is currently home to 2 upscale restaurants. These are Woods Hill Pier 4 and Nautilus Pier 4. The development is one of the 4 luxury buildings sitting directly on the Seaport waterfront. Zoning restrictions prohibit any new buildings from being built on the water here. The residences at Pier 4 are unique, with no 2 units being exactly the same. Every floor plan is slightly different, making each home here distinct. Throughout the units, there is Italian walnut flooring and window walls, which provide stunning, unobstructed city and harbor views, along with ample natural light. Each unit has a private balcony and ceilings that reach up to 10 feet. The homes are in an open concept style with spacious and functional layouts. Floor plans were designed for everyday life as well as for entertaining guests. Several penthouse units offer expansive private roof terraces, one having over 15,000 square feet of space. The kitchens are some of the nicest out of any building in Boston, featuring waterfall marble islands with matching backsplash and custom Italian wood cabinetry which complement each other very well. Kitchen appliances and finishes are top of the line from Gaggenau, Sub-Zero, and Bosch. There are double wall ovens, chrome pot fillers, and 99 bottle capacity wine coolers. Kitchens are chef rated and have all the space and tools a person needs. Bathrooms have heated marble floors, marble double vanities, and walk-in frameless glass showers. Select residences also feature soaking tubs and the master bathrooms. Plenty of closet and storage space is available within the bathrooms. Bedrooms are spacious and also have floor-to-ceiling windows with water views as well as 10-foot high ceilings. Pier 4 contains 106 homes featuring 1 to 4 bedroom units, some having office or den spaces. 1-bedrooms range between 970 and 1,200 square feet. 2-bedrooms range between 1,100 and 2,000 square feet. 3-bedroom units and over range between 1,700 and 3,600 square feet. The Pier 4 residences offer many amenities for owners. Residents can benefit from the white glove services offered by Pier 4, such as valet, concierge, and doorman. The amenity spaces begin in the sleek, modern lobby that exudes an ambience of refined luxury. There is a state-of-the-art fitness center where residents can work out while they enjoy the stunning waterfront views. Another highlight is the resident lounge and rooftop terrace, which overlooks Boston Harbor. There is also a dedicated golf simulator room, which is equipped with a state-of-the-art golf simulator and features a wet bar. Pet owners will find convenience in the pet washing and grooming station, which offers all the necessary equipment for keeping their animals clean and well groomed. The restaurants on the ground floor offer priority reservations for owners, as well as direct-to-door catering if desired. Pier 4 is located right in the middle of Boston's Seaport District at 300 Pier 4 Boulevard. The building is seated on a harbor walk, which lets residents easily navigate the Seaport District and beyond on foot or bike. The Seaport District is one of the most popular places to live right now, being minutes from downtown Boston and right on the harbor. The area is a hotspot among people of all ages and backgrounds for its nightlife, shopping, and dining scenes. In terms of demographics, the Seaport attracts mainly a crowd of young professionals who work in tech, finance, or healthcare. This group is mainly attracted by the new developments and upscale amenities in the district. 40% of residents are between the ages of 25 and 34. In addition to young professionals, the Seaport District has also seen a growing number of empty nesters and retirees. 23% of Seaport residents are over the age of 55. Given its proximity to Boston and Cambridge, home to MIT, Harvard, BU, and Suffolk, the Seaport also attracts college and grad students who choose to live off campus. As seen on the map, there are countless restaurants, shops, and cultural attractions immediately outside the doorstep of Pier 4. The Seaport is a massive hub for innovation, being home to many startup companies as well as headquarters for several Fortune 500 companies. The pricing of units at Pier 4 varies depending on factors such as size, floor level, and customizations. Since completion and opening in 2019, the average price per square foot is slightly over $2,000. One-bedroom layouts range between $1.3 and $2.4 million. Two-bedroom units range between $2.5 and $5.9 million. Three-bedroom units and over start at $3.2 and go up to $15 million. If you're interested in renting, the average monthly rent at Pier 4 is $11,000. However, there are rentals available between $6,000 and $20,000 per month. In terms of taxes, residents of Pier 4 are subject to property taxes based on the assessed value of their units. A tax rate of between $8,000 and $100,000 per year can be expected. HOA fees are determined by the square footage of the unit and will likely range between $1,000 and $8,000 per month. For example, a two-bedroom unit at Pier 4 recently transacted with an HOA fee of $2,000 per month and a tax rate of $24,000 per year. When looking at the Pier 4 residences, it's important to consider its drawbacks as well. One very obvious consideration is the pricing, as Pier 4 is one of the most expensive buildings in the area. While the building is very exclusive, the urban environment might not be suited for those seeking a more secluded living experience, given its central city location. Overall, the Pier 4 residences are considered to be some of the most luxurious in Boston. Its architectural brilliance, prime location, stunning views, and top-notch units and amenities contribute to the building's desirability. It is a top pick for those who work in Boston or want to reside in a highly exclusive, amenity-rich atmosphere. If you're interested in touring units at Pier 4 or have questions about real estate, I'm ready to assist you. Check the description to book a meeting, email, or call me, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate and luxury condo buildings.